when I was 10 years old, I realized that I couldn't see objects that were far away clearly. So I went to the doctor, and the doctor prescribed me spectacles. And I've been using a pair ever since. Now, if you don't use spectacles yourself, I'm pretty sure you'll know someone who does. But have you ever wondered about how spectacles work? Well, I have a setup here that might help us understand. The first thing we need to know is that spectacles are just a pair of lenses. And these two transparent pieces of plastic, they're lenses. And there are two main types of lenses. The first is a converging lens. Over here, I have a biconvex converging lens. Now look at what happens when I place it in the path of these rays. You see that? The rays hit the lens and then they get converged to a point. And hence the name converging lens. The other type of lens is a diverging lens. And over here, I have a biconcave diverging lens. When the rays pass through the lens, they get diverged. If you look closely, you'll notice that they look like they are emerging from a point behind the lens. Now, the human eye basically consists of two main parts: a biconvex converging lens, which we call the eye lens, and a screen, which we call the retina. So let's try to simulate the human eye over here. So let's say that this biconvex converging lens plays the role of our eye lens. Okay? And I have a screen over here that's going to play the role of our retina. Now, if you look closely, this is what happens in the case of a healthy eye. The rays come off objects and then the eye lens converges those rays to a point on the retina. And therefore, this person sees a clear image. But then, sometimes there are defects. And the most common defect is called nearsightedness or myopia. In this case, the person can see objects that are close